Right, so anyone who saw a previous video regarding this and left me stranded at the Golden Arches, it happened again. The problem was this time, even with jumping the relay and a jump start to the battery, it still refused. Tried to turn over, but still nothing. Somehow pressing the starter motor helped it go, but with everything that's going on at the minute with it, I'm really starting to suspect it's the old starter motor. I mean, I've had a couple of issues while owning this as well, when it's struggled to turn over, even though the battery's good, everything's good. It's just, for some reason, it just doesn't want to turn over, and then eventually you can get it to crank. So it's time to investigate it. And the problem is, Yamaha don't make it easy, although you can see it there. The only way to get it out is to go directly down. So off, airbox off. I think even the throttle bodies have got to come off. You know, my other bikes, literally I can get to it right here and now, but it's annoying how it just sits there laughing at you, knowing there's 3 bolts at the back and you can't get to. But thing is, however, it's good because I've managed to. So while you're digging in, it's always good to have a little look around while things are taken apart and have a check. Good job, because I found something. It's not broken. So the insulation's broken. Can't fix it well, but yeah. Insulation's broken, but the strand's there, so that would be working. I'll check later what it was doing. I don't think it's the fuel pump, I'm not too sure. But I still doubt that was causing the issue. I've had too much issues with the start motor, so I've not got the video recording equipment to record it all, unfortunately, so I'll just record bits. I'm not good at editing, so it'll just be separate videos, but have a look. And this could be fun.